Hey everyone, Techne here on vacation at Legoland, as you can see right here. Now before we get into talking about the headset, I gotta show you something. I got a little create your own minifig down there. Look at this one I made here. I made a little Techne minifig as she's got his little hat on, black and red, little headset review right there. I thought that was super cool. Whatever, let me get into showing you the headset. So as far as the close-ups right there, I think these things look sharp. Now, number one, I'm really sorry about my lighting or my angles or anything like that. I got my little tiny tripod and then just a lighting in the hotel room here. So please accept my apology. I know my angle's real bad here. It looks like I'm looking down. You know what I mean? But hey, we're trying to make this happen. Now, as far as the build and everything, it is all plastic. Now, as far as these little ear pods or whatever you want to call these little deals right here, they look pretty funky, huh? But it's pretty cool when you pull them off. I don't know if you guys can see that very well in the camera. Can we get some focus? There you go. You see that little lip popping out right there? It's really cool because once you put this little deal in there, it goes in and it clips exactly where it should be, so you don't got to get it right into that perfect position or anything. But the one weird thing that does throw me off a little bit with these guys here is whenever you put them in your ears, let's see, here we go. So we got them in there and they stay in pretty good. See, I can shake and move and everything and they don't go anywhere, right? But the weird thing is with most earbuds, you know, they go far into your ear. Like you tuck them in and then push them on in there, you know what I mean? Which I personally like, you know, they go in there and just make your eardrums bleed, you know what I mean? You get all the sound right in there. The weird thing about these is, as you can see, it goes right there and it kind of stops. Before it goes into your ear, it stops right there. So, I don't know, you can kind of judge it for yourself. Is that a good thing? Is it a bad thing? In my personal opinion, I don't like it because number one, it lets in a lot of outside noise. Number two, again, I don't got all that sound just shoved right into my head, which is what I usually like. But now also, as far as those little ear deals right there, you have different sizes. You have large and then you have a small size. The size that comes on it is medium. And a really cool thing, I know the camera will not be able to pick this up, but on the inside it actually says small, medium, or large, which is a really nice touch so you always know which one you have. Now you also get this little HyperX case in the box as well, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty little hard case right there, little HyperX branding. Inside, as you can see, you got a little soft coating, and then I don't know if you guys can see this in here with the poor lighting. Anyways, you got this little mesh netting back there so you can put your other ear sizes in there. Really, really nice, you know. As far as in your box, Lego minifig not included. But again, as far as talking to ear tips right there, they are comfortable. Like when you put them in there, they really don't bother you. They don't move around. They're not hurting, no pinching, no nothing. Again, they're just sitting there. Again, my biggest gripe about them is I hear a lot of outside noise. Like right now, I can hear the air conditioner running, you know, which I don't like. When I put my earbuds in, I want them to go in there and block everything out. But again, that can be personal preference. Maybe you like that outside noise and so you know what's still going on around you, right? Or say if you're buying them for your kids, you don't want them shoved in their ears, you're going to ruin their hearing, you know what I mean? Heck, my ears are probably gone already anyways. But now talking that sound, and again, it kind of threw me off because again, these guys just kind of sit out there and they're not going into your ears. But again, you get that crisp, solid soundstage that you expect from HyperX, right? And again, at that $30 price range, you get a great sound. Now, as I stated before, I am on vacation. I have primarily been using these on the road, right? I've been using them on my MacBook Pro. Probably the last 2 or 3 videos that you guys have watched, I've been uploading them and responding to you guys while I've been on the road, you know? Absolute blast. I love it, you know? Other than that, I have been testing it on the Switch. And again, the soundstage is crisp and it is solid. But again, like I said, I'm playing some Switch on the road with these guys and I'm still hearing some highway noise, you know? So that was a big bummer. Now, the second thing that I gotta gripe about these earbuds right here is their marketing. Over here, it says compatible with Switch and mobile. Like it's 3.5, it's compatible with anything. Like, why did they put that right there? Is Nintendo paying for that? You know, my honest opinion why I think they did that right there is so they can have these merchandised in the Nintendo Switch section. That's my personal opinion. I don't know how they do all that, you know, manufacturing, marketing stuff, but that's honestly what I would think. Like, they want a headset in that Nintendo Switch section, so hey, put it that it's only compatible with that. bam, it's going to be hanging on that peg right there next to the new Mario game, you know, which again is going to be a good selling feature. So again, that could be my gripe, because obviously these are going to work on PlayStation, Xbox, heck, anything with 3.5, you know what I mean? Now, as far as your controls on the Switch right here, you do have the little play and pause button, if you guys can catch it right there, and it does also work. When I was using it on my MacBook Pro doing some video work, it did start and stop that video for me as well. It does have a mic in it as well here, which I have not tested, but you know what, I will do a mic test for you guys whenever I get home, right before I upload this video, just to see. But again, it's going to be dangling right down here on your shirt and everything, so you never know which way that mic's going to be facing, if it's in or out. So if you're looking for these for like you know, some chat and whatnot, I don't know, I don't think any earpod or earbud mic is going to be any good. So my take on the HyperX earpods here, and again, I've been playing on Switch, doing some video editing on my MacBook Pro and listening to some music. Again, the Soundstage is there, the comfort is there, but that one thing drove me so crazy that me personally, I don't like them. That's just my personal opinion, I think, because that one little thing right there where it doesn't jam inside of my ear, I don't like that. If you like that, you got a complete win on your hands, like completely. The sound is fantastic and that price is right. But again, me personally, I like my earbuds to jam all the way up into my ears and just ruin my hearing. You know what I mean? But again, if you're into the style of this, hey, I don't think you're gonna find a better set anyway. I think for that price, you got a complete win right here. But me personally, I wish I would have packed my Beats or my Clips earbuds in my suitcase. But hey, let me know what you think about the HyperX earbuds down in the comments. Do you use earbuds when you game? Again, when I'm on the road, I'd rather use little earbuds rather than some big clanky headset, you know, hanging around the car, which more than likely end up broken, you know what I mean? So again, let me know, what do you think about the HyperX ones, or what's your preferred earbuds when you're on the road? But hey, again, I'm incredibly sorry for my poor lighting, my poor angles, or anything like that. I just thought this would be fun. Let's crank out a product review while I'm on vacation. Hey, I'm having a blast. I hope you guys did as well. But hey, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. And I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.